everybody, today in this video I'm going to show you how to build a modern deck chair with 5 2x4. You're just going to need a drill and a saw and some sandpaper, and you'll be able to create these. For every DIY, make sure you're practicing proper PPE. I've got my mask and my earplugs. Someone's probably going to crap on me for not wearing safety glasses. I just choose not to, but you should. You need 2 pieces cut at 19 1/4, 4 pieces cut at 24 1/2, 12 pieces cut at 23 inches long. I've listed everything below. I've linked the cushions where you can find them on the website or you can go in store. These are the dimensions for that cushion, but they're very easily tweaked as well. You just measure your length and your width of your cushion. Now, nobody wants to sit on any of this. Because it is pressure treated, you're not going to want to sand it super well. You want to keep pressure treated on it and not sand it off completely and bring it down. So you're just going to, this is it before and this is it after, just so you don't get any splinters in the butt.
Once everything is sanded, you're ready to put your chair together. You guys, it's really just that easy. You're putting together both sides first, and the piece that I have my hand on is my 24 1/2 inch piece, also known as the leg. All of the other pieces are the slats that you're going to see horizontally, and an easy trick is to keep your cutoffs and use them as spacers. This makes it easy and even. Make sure you use 2 screws per piece and then flip it around and do the exact same thing on the other side. 2x4 is considered a green wood, which means it hasn't been kiln dried and there is moisture left in it. So even after picking them out and finding the straightest boards, they might have a slight bow that you can't see. So I just used a clamp in order to get my pieces to sit flush before I screwed them in. Once you have 2 of those side pieces built, you can put your chair together. For the dimensions of my cushion, the 19 1/4 pieces are for the back and the last 4 23 inches are for the seat. A clamp or an extra set of hands works really well for this step, especially for the first couple. As I'm doing the voiceover now and watching the video, realizing I didn't actually use the clamp, but have one there just in case. Chairs are together. You can bring them outside, and I accessorized with some red pillows, and I also got some solar lights for around the rocks. It's going to be so cozy. Then I used the little screw covers that just push into the screw heads, and it makes the chair feel a lot more clean and finished. I hope you liked them. Thanks for watching. Don't forget that all of the dimensions and the cushions are linked below. Happy building. See you next time.